Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. I want to show you how to create a multi-level dependent drop-down list in Excel. Okay, for you to achieve that, you need to structure a list of data and then use the indirect function within the data validation to link the drop-down. Okay, so you have it here. These are the category, first category, this subcategory, this phone, and you can see that there's a phone here. There's a phone at the heading. Okay, there's a home entertainment underscore. There's home entertainment underscore. If I don't have the underscore here, the functions will be incorrect. Okay, so because I have phone here, I have phone at top here on the header. When I link it, I will be able to see every other phones, types of phones. Okay, like this home entertainment, I will see other home entertainment. Then you see TVs, you see TVs here. I will be able to see this TV. See speaker here. I will be able to see this speaker. So this is how this multi-level dependent drop-down works. Okay, and look at the list here. I have date, I have the categories. Okay, so I click here now, phone, and you have types of phone. If I click here, entertainment, you see what I will see now. You see, I see speaker. You see TV, speaker. So that is how it is. Now, if you see the entertainment here, I click entertainment, and under the entertainment, I have the TV sets. Okay, and under the TV, I have two set of TVs, televisions, LG and Samsung televisions. Okay, so this column depend on this. This subcolumn depend on this category. Then this additional column depends on these subcategories. So this is how it makes. And once you program your data in this way, it cannot be manipulated. At this point, you cannot type here, right? You cannot type here. If I type here now to tell me this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell, see it, you can't type it. So it helps for a control, all right? You can only type this quantity, price, and amount and date, but this 3 column, you will not type it because it is structured from this sheet 4, all right? So let's get in and see how it's we can structure it and create it. Okay, let's start to demonstrate what I have shown to us now. We need to create name manager. Okay, so to create manager, you highlight this, push control, I like this, I like this, I like this, I like this. So you say create some from selection and top row. Okay, okay, let's click OK. Now, as you have done that, you can check from your name manager and see that all I have created are stated here. Now, notice that under the home entertainment, there's underscore. But here, there's no underscore. So definitely, if we are trying to link it today, it will show incorrect. Okay, so we'll get there. Now, once you are done creating the name managers, the next thing you do, you go to the sheet where you want to link. Okay, you click and let's validate. Then you go to validation, select list. Then you click and press F3. Now F3, you look at what are you looking for in F3 is the item. You click OK. OK it. So you see now the items are displayed. All right, if you roll it down, you see the item are displayed, which are these homes and entertainment. Okay, they are here now. Now I want to link this now. All right, so as you have finished the validations on the first row, which is the category. So I have to finish the validation under the category. The next thing you do is to link this subcategory to this. So you click subcategory. Under the subcategory, you can click the validation data, click the validation, and this click select. Then the source, you come and say equals to indirects. Open the parentheses and B3. Close the parentheses. Okay. Then click OK. You can see that under the phone, I've seen various phones under. But if I change this to home entertainment, you see that nothing will be shown here. Why? Because of this underscore. So what you need to do, you go to the main data and put underscore. Then you put underscore, right? So once you do that, you come, as you have selected the home entertainment, you see that you can see what is the home entertainment, which is phones. Remember the main data, home entertainment, we have the TV, speaker, sound bar, and all of that. So you can see the TV, speaker, sound bar, and all of that. Okay, so that's what you do. Then you can also link this to this column. This additional column depends on this sub column, right? You can also come and say equals to, sorry, you can also come to say data validation lists. Then you say equals to indirect. Okay, in this case, you take the cell reference of C3 and close the parentheses. It's okay. All right. Now you can't find anything under the soundbar because soundbar is not any of the heading. We have TV and TV in the heading, speaker and speaker in the heading. So since the soundbar is not in the heading, so you can't find anything there. So you can change this to TV and you see that you will see TV in here. Okay. All right. So that's what you do. Then let's take this one down and take speaker. Okay. Let's take a speaker, right? Then under the speaker, you have various speaker, edge speaker. All right. So if you do this, you see that you are only going to impute on the date and the quantity, price, and the amount. Okay. But this category, subcategory, and additional columns will be linked to the main sheet. And anything you amend on the main sheet is going to display here. You see that this category, this subcategory depends on this category, while the additional column depends on this subcategory. That is the level of a multi-level dependent drop-down that you can create in Excel. So if this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe, kindly share, and make your comments. Make your comment so that we can always interact and improve on what we are presenting to you. Okay, when you subscribe into my channel, you'll be able to get an update from me anytime I make a post. Thank you.